Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings. Let's tap on it, and here let's find the apps. Let's tap. Now let's tap on see all 60 apps, of course 60 in my case, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. We've got reset app preferences, so simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so the disabled apps, disabled app notifications, applications for actions, and data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, and no worries, you will not lose any app data during this operation, so it's 100% safe. So let's tap on simply reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.